Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am to discuss in how to digitize and to waterbody in SAR image. So first of all, uh, what is the SAR image? SAR image. What is a SAR data? SAR is the type of active data uh, collection where a sensor produce its own energy and then record the amount of that energy to reflected back after interacting with the earth. Okay. So why the SAR image use? Because SAR image SAR satellite provided in 24 hours all weather earth observation. That's why in the first benefit, and second is the SAR to ability to penetrate atmospheric condition, and third is the providing the real-time visibility in cloud cover area both day and night. So that's why we are use in the SAR data. So today I am showing in how to capture in the water body in the SAR image. So at first I have opened the data in SAR image. So this is the SAR image, uh, and you have to first select in a nor stress data set. Then you have better visibility in the SAR image. Okay. Then you have create in a shape file. Okay. And before the water body digitization, I discuss some point. That's why which portion is the water body. Okay, so you have to observe my PPT example. Example of smooth surface in ceramics. In this black portion, and in the image, show this is the water bodies. Okay, but all black portion not to water body. You have to mark in identify which black portion is the water body. That is the depend on the area. So I open the image, and mm, this is the river channel. So this is the in this black portion is the water body. Okay, so at first you have create in a shape file. I have created in a temporary stage file. Okay, then okay, and then you have digitization to water body. Okay, at first you have started in table editing, then you have click in a polygon, add polygon features, and then you have click in this is the you have total in this block portion you have to digitize. I have created in a small portion to digitization. You have to complete it to in this all block portion. Okay, you have slowly to digitization. I have to create in a small part in this image. Okay, so okay, so in this block portion you have to digitize this. Okay, this is the main topic. I have already digitization. I have to open my final file. Okay, in this portion you have to see this final output. Yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you so much.